Welcome back. Today I'm making a delicious and easy pumpkin flan that will be cooked in the oven. To make this recipe, you will need pumpkin, eggs, milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, vanilla, lemon zest, salt, cinnamon sticks, and for the caramel, you will need sugar. You can use brown sugar if you prefer. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the pumpkin so we can peel off the skin. Some pumpkins are very hard. They have a very hard skin. So just carefully try to cut it in half so you can handle it better. If you cut smaller portions at a time, it will be easy to peel off the skin. You can also cut off the skin this way. This is a medium size pumpkin, and most likely almost we're going to use the whole pumpkin. Cut off in smaller pieces because we are going to cook the pumpkin. I have the pumpkin in the pot at medium heat, and I'm adding the water. Enough water to cover well. Add your cinnamon sticks, salt, Cover and cook until they're tender. While the pumpkin is getting cooked, I will start preparing for the caramel. This time I'm using a non-stick pan to make the caramel since I'm going to transfer it to the baking dish. Add the sugar. At medium heat. Add the water. I'm also adding a little bit of the vanilla extract to the caramel. The caramel is already looking good. As you can see, it's already sticking on my spoon. You want to stir so it doesn't get burned. And now it's ready. So I will put in the caramel and make sure that it goes all around the sides as well. Carefully do this because it's still very hot and you can burn yourself. Now I'm going to set this aside so we can mix everything in the blender. The squash is ready to use, and make sure you do drain all the water from the pot. In a blender, add your squash, the pumpkin, your eggs, milk, the evaporated milk, condensed milk, the lemon zest, and also vanilla extract. And now we're going to blend. Slowly start blending. Add to your caramel dish. Carefully insert in the deep pan that's going to go in the oven. Add the water to the deep pan, carefully around the other insert. Use hot water and bring it to the level of maybe 1/3 to half of water. It's ready to go in the oven. The temperature varies. My oven was preheated at 325 degrees and I will check the flan in 50 minutes to see how it's doing by inserting a knife. And if it's not ready, keep baking for additional time. It can take up to 1 hour and 15 minutes. The flan is all ready. It took 1 hour and 15 minutes. You have to wait until it cools and then we will separate the edges and it will be ready for a turnover.